sure to tweet that. We're going to be giving out some prizes, or a prize tonight. Code of conduct. A couple of months ago, we started this code of conduct. It's available online at DevTO.ca. So everybody here accepted that code of conduct by registering for this event. There's nothing crazy in there. Just be nice to everybody, and everything will be good. Yeah. So where to find us? So we've got the mailing list. If you're not on it, do join it. That's where we announce all these events and give away tickets and discounts to various events in the city. Tickets go out on the first Monday of the month. The meetup is where we put all these events. Video presentations are all up on the website. They're getting updated this week as well to catch up on the past few months. We started this 416 show in January, so it's been 10 months of that. Almost 10 months, so you can follow that on iTunes or look for us on Twitter at the 416 Show. Next month, so there's an event you don't want to miss out on. So we're doing this panel event. It's called Are You Afraid of the Ops? We've invited a bunch of ops people from Toronto to come out and share tales of the ops side of things.
Is that BizOps or DevOps?
DevOps.
Okay.
Maybe next time we'll do it. But anyway, so that's an event you don't want to miss out on, so get on the mailing list so you don't find yourself on the waiting list. So, in May next year, we'll be celebrating 5 years of DevTO. So, we kind of like, to mark that, we've kind of, as the organizers at DevTO, decided to spend basically the whole year doing special events besides our monthly meetup. So the first one, how many of you can run a 5K? Can. So you gotta start practicing, because coming May 2016, we're doing the 5-year 5K somewhere in Toronto, who knows where, but we'll figure that out. So start training today, and then make sure you can come out for a run, a 5K run or walk, or crawl, whatever you want. Okay, so our sponsors. So Creative Niche, they're doing the Fast 5 today after my announcements. But next up, we'll have Bodan tell us about Mercatus and Brightling.
Hi. Sorry. I'm for those of you who don't know me, I'm Bodan. I'm the CTO of Mercatus. I'll get into what Mercatus does shortly. More importantly, I'm the reason why there is a code of conduct. And currently, I had this debate with Mel beforehand, what I'm allowed and not, what I'm allowed and not allowed to do, but I'm we'll see how the night unfolds. Anyways, with regards to Brightlane, Brightlane is a co-working space at 545 King West. It's floors 2, 3, and 4. Awesome state-of-the-art facilities. Its key differentiator for those of you who are looking for space is that you can basically get co-working space on a month-to-month basis. So awesomely great for startups that are kind of in a volatile state. They don't know if they need a space for 3 people, 5 people, month to month. So it's a great place for startups in a specific segment. Moving on to Mercatus. Mercatus, I'm the CTO at Mercatus. 5 of these so far. Anyways, I'm the CTO at Mercatus. We are effectively a Shopify for grocers. So e-commerce fulfillment, the ability to find ketchup, purchase ketchup, have it delivered as required or picked up at your convenient grocery store. We are actually at the 5th floor of the same facility, 545 King West. We are awesome culturally. First I work there. And we are, in terms of a dev team, we don't hire assholes. Is that sort of what
Yes.
See t-shirt.
See my t-shirt for more information. But I lead a team of 30, and I'm seriously proud of my team. I would put my team toe-to-toe with any team in Boston, York, or the Valley for that matter. We're always looking for awesome talent. Our tech stack is Angular, Drupal, Ionic, native mobile app development, PHP, MySQL. Just rattling off a whole slew of things. We're always looking for awesome generalist front-end, back-end DevOps developers. There's probably work for designers and product managers as well. If you are looking for a role in an awesome, growing, evolving company, which again is a shop for grocers, please come see me. In my spare time, I co-founded an HR tech company focused on matching. And please come see me if you're looking for a great place to work. I also advise about half a dozen companies in Ontario at any given point in time. So again, if you're looking for a job independent of your domain or tech stack, please come see me. I have an awesome track record of matching people, and I do this not because I get anything out of it other than positive karma. I actually enjoy connecting people. So I'll leave it there.
So next up we've got Top Hat, George from Top Hat.
Hi, I'm George, the VP of Engineering from Top Hat. I'll bet almost everyone in this room either has been through post-secondary school education or has completely avoided it on purpose because they hated it and it was so boring. So we're looking to change the face of post-secondary education and how that's done in the classroom. We're building software for classroom engagement. And that's pretty well the most important thing. We're a small Toronto, fast-growing Toronto startup. We got all new tech, got a young group of people. So if any of those things interest you, I'm hiring pretty much in almost all the roles, whether it's test engineering, full stack, DevOps, and anything else you can think of. So if you're interested, give me a shout. I'll be here all night.
So our next sponsor, DigitalOcean, that's where we host our stuff. But how many of you heard that they just launched a Toronto data center last week, I think? So check that out, that's pretty cool. Next up on our sponsors, we've got Simply Laundry. So Alal here is going to tell us about Simply Laundry and something I'm sure all of us hate to do.
Thanks, Sam. Hey guys, we're two investment bankers and we decided to leave the corporate world and say fuck them and let's start doing laundry. So that's what we started doing around a year ago. We're in 109 condos till date. We're growing 30-40% month on month and we're very excited about this. So what are we? On demand dry cleaning laundry. All you have to do, you go online, place your order, we come to you, pick up your shit, take it, clean it, 48 hours, return it back to you, send you an invoice to your email, charge your credit card, that's it. As simple as that. So today we're offering 5 gifts for anyone that you can see here. You get $25 to try us out. Please do, and tell your friends.
So we'll put this tweet up, but if you tweet this today, DevTO send me $25 for Simply Laundry. We're going to pick 5 lucky winners who don't have to do laundry this week. Okay, next up, actually before this slide, so we'll bring up TWG, so Chris from TWG will tell us about this awesome space we're in, and thanks for hosting us at TWG, guys.
Thanks, Niall. Hi, I'm Chris, as was mentioned. I'm Director of Operations here at TWG, and yeah, we're very happy to have all of you here. You're welcome to the studio. TWG is a digital product shop. We build mobile and web products, and we are hiring. So I was asked to say that. You can talk to Adrienne, who's sitting over there and waving. She works here, so if you are interested in finding out more about what we're doing and the kinds of positions we're hiring for, or you can visit our website at twg.ca. I think that's it. Thank you, and enjoy. Okay, some events going on next month and soon actually for this one. So spotlight process is happening. You might recognize some people here have spoken at DevTO, so Jason Theodore and Tom Walsham from TWG. Yes? So check that out, spotlight process. It's a full day of about process, and if you use code DevTO, you can save $100 off the ticket price, fitc.ca/process. Hackathon is happening here in Toronto again, so it started I think last year, so October 2nd to the 4th as well at BitMaker Labs.
code DevTO saves 25%, and the hackathon team are here somewhere. So actually, you come up and tell us about the hackathon last year, how it went.
Hey guys, my name is Temur and I'm the co-lead for the Toronto chapter this year. So last year we came and spoke at DevTO for a little while, and last year we had around 125 people. Some of you guys show up at the hackathon. The different thing about hackathon from other hackathons is it happens in 16 different cities at the same time, so 8 in North America, 8 in Pakistan. And the idea is that we focus on a few key areas. We focus on building applications and solving problems across healthcare, education, women development, law and order, and what did I miss? Gaming, energy. So if you're interested in those fields and you want to build something which might have a global impact, please come check it out. Come talk to us. It's at BitMaker Lab this weekend, and yeah, we have discount codes. So come talk to us.
Wrangle.io is doing a course starting October 5th for famous transition from 1.x to 2. So if any of you are having those problems or going to be thinking about that soon, this is a good course to check out. Code DevTO saves $100 US on that ticket. Dementia Hack. So last year, HackerNest pulled together this amazing hackathon to help mental health benefits. This year they're bringing it again, and they've partnered up with Facebook, UFT, a bunch of other great organizations to bring this hackathon to Toronto. Check it out again at the HackerNest website. Lots of prizes to go this year as well. FSTO Conf started out last year in November. It's coming again to Ryerson. Again, DevTO saves $25 off the ticket price. November 14th to the 15th at Ryerson University. Some speakers include Ahmed Nasri from Mashape, Andrew Smythe, Pearl Chen, Robin Larson, Ryan Christiani, Chris Saunders, and more. Lots of people from Toronto and others are flying in here as well. Earlier this week, Ladies Learn to Code talked about this Code Mobile, which is pretty cool. So they're sending this truck literally across the country, 35,000 kilometers, to help teach 10,000 kids how to code. So they're looking for donations for this mission. So check out codemobile.rocks for details. And that's all our sponsors. So now, thanks for our sponsors for today, and we're going to pass it off to Mark, who's going to start telling us about Elm and functional programming.